I am here today to talk to you about one of my favorite products. It is called the Power Chef, and we have two different parts to talk about. This is our chopper and food processor without electricity. So I'm going to tell you first about our chop and prep. That is the smallest chopper that we have. So you can see we have a small container, a small 3-part blade that's very sharp, and then we have our top. So this can be used for just chopping up small amounts of anything. If you're chopping up an onion or garlic, maybe some fresh herbs, some peanuts, anything like that, some veggies, small amounts, you can use this. So you put your food in first, and then you just twist that cover right on top, and then you pull the string. So you just pull that handle, and the blade spins around numerous times to chop up whatever you're chopping. So that's the chop and prep, okay? That can be purchased individually. Then we also have the Power Chef. The Power Chef is just a larger version of the chop and prep. So it also comes with a 3-part blade that is very, very sharp. And then it also has a paddle. So the paddle you can use for any dry ingredients, anything you're mixing up, like if you make homemade whipped topping, if you're scrambling eggs, mixing up a cake mix, pancake batter, anything like that, you can use the paddle. So that's going to just mix up whatever you put in here. So we put the cover on, twist that on first. Oh, sorry, put the paddle in. We'll put the cover on. And then you put the same cover. If you purchase the whole set, you get one of the covers. Put that on. And then you're just going to pull that handle again, and the paddle just spins around. The paddle spins around and mixes up whatever you have in there. So you can purchase this separately as well. That's the Power Chef, or you can get the whole system, which is the Power Chef system. Each container comes with its own seal, so if you make something up and you want to store it in here, you can. I have a great recipe for fruit salsa. I just don't have the ingredients to make it today. But if you made a bunch of salsa, you could just take the blade out and then store it in the fridge with the seal on. We're gonna make blizzards today, so I also have a recipe for homemade ice cream in the Power Chef, so you could make a thing of ice cream and just put it right into the freezer. So we're gonna make the blizzard today, and we're gonna start with 4 Oreo cookies, okay? So we're gonna put our cookies in first. And then we're going to put the cover on. Okay. Pull that string and just chop up those Oreos. Okay, and then we're gonna add 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and we have our ice cream scoop. This is a wonderful ice cream scoop. It just has a little bit of an edge to it, so it cuts right through the ice cream and scoops it into your container. So it's very easy to use. 2, 3, and 4. That's a big scoop. Okay, and then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 4. And now we're going to put that cover right back on. Pull that handle again and mix it up for some yummy Oreo blizzards. Now you could use different items instead of Oreo cookies if you wanted to, but let's just look at that, how yummy that is. You got your Oreo blizzards ready to go. So add whatever other, instead of Oreo, whatever other ingredients you want to, but that's a quick homemade blizzard in minutes. Don't even have to leave the house. Thank you.